Guenter is the dynamic managing director for Heavy Drive, a leading company in the transport and installation of oversized glass panels. Based in Tapheim in Germany, the company has grown under his leadership into a global player in the industry, known for its innovative solutions for complex glass installation. Uebelacker has led the company in numerous international markets. It's largely responsible for Heavy Drive's strategic direction and expansion. Under his leadership, the company opened subsidiaries in Switzerland, Canada, Dubai, Norway, and the US to meet the demand for installation solutions for large glass panes. His vision for Heavy Drive includes the development of customized solutions to address specific challenges on construction sites worldwide. For example, the company has developed special suction and lifting systems that enable the precise installation of extremely large and heavy glass panes. Uebelacker consistently emphasizes the importance of customer proximity and adaptability to local conditions, making Heavy Drive a reliable partner for complex construction projects. Throughout his commitment to innovation and quality, Uebelacker has not only made Heavy Drive a leading name in the glass installation, but also set the standard for safety and efficiency in the industry. Thank you.
Hello. So, thank you for the introduction. It's I'm Heavy Drive. It's as he told, the CEO of Heavy Drive since 19 years. Heavy Drive is a global player, as he told, and we are lifting glass in glass. We are providing a suction system for the glass industry, and we are based in Tapheim, as he told. It's a substantial factory. We are using that also for our home power. You see that, and we have so many projects. We're working around the world with projects. We want to introduce some projects in Neom, Saudi Arabia. It's really hot temperature there. It was also National Museum in Qatar. Its temperature, it's really up to 40, 50 degrees and in the shadow. And you know the Montreal Tower, it's finished. It's not finished now, but it's on progress. And there also some temperature, minus 10 to 20 degrees. And we are providing their suction systems, loading that also to provide the glass processing minus 0 degrees. We have some other projects in Quebec, it's also in Canada. Mostly the temperature also there, minus 20 degrees. And others, like the Kaunertal in Austria, it's like a glacier. Okay. What we want to, it's not working. We are working worldwide. We have our headquarters in Germany, and we have a subsidiary in Canada, in the United States, in Dubai, and now we are starting a new company in Norway because of that climate. We also have many customers there, but the problem is we cannot present them. Mostly they are working for administrations, so it's protected. Also Switzerland. And the next what we do, we are installing special glasses, mostly in museums and some different situations. Here's a range of our products, what we have. Some machines we are producing, mostly the suction systems, because we are specialized, we're deep working in that. In the curved glass, straight glass, different surfaces, different angles, and also big glasses up till 24 meters what we can handle, and a wide of up to 4.2 meters. And they can be curved, they can be straight. It's up to the customer needs. So we are handling every glass, big size, small size around the world. You see the Burj Khalifa on the left side in the corner. It's a famous project there, and we handled their 14-meter glasses by an Apple store, and it was really a big challenge, but it's one of many projects. I see some projects around the world what we handle, what we can present. It's St. Petersburg, Russia. Big glasses are handled before the war. the last Ukraine and the Russian crisis. And the corner, you can not see that, but there's a corner thin glass installed there with a weight of 6 tons. It's 70 meter long by SEDAC. And all the curved in Dubai and Dublin for Ireland, also a Salt Lake City glass. It's a 4-ton curved glass in the height of 10 meters in Salt Lake City for Mormon church or some Sindala Islands. It's as I known in the beginning, it's a NEOM project, and the glasses are installed below the canopy of 4.5 meter. So we have the extra counterweight beams there. And a suction on the curved glasses and at high temperature and installed below the overhang of nearly 5 meters. It's a bit long, a bit wide, but they need it there because the sun is really strong, it's really narrow, so it have to be protected against the building. And some projects at Makkah, Saudi Arabia have been there to install the top jewel in the high of 500 meter, around 540 meter. It's really high, and all the glasses have to be installed there. They're all different sizes, different shapes, and so on. And the temperature, mostly we installed there by nighttime because there was no wind that time, and also it was not so hot. And the tower cranes are always working when the wind is not stopping. When it's stopping, so at the lunchtime it will stop, and the wind was so strong nobody is working anymore. So when the wind is low down at 7 p.m., then we can start working till the morning 6 o'clock. Another one for Quebec, minus 20 degrees with special capsonets. Another project in Boston, United States. It's a shopping center installations with it's for us simple glasses, but it's a huge big glass of 14 meters from SEDAC. And another one is seen also in the North Facade presentation on the Monday. It's a Budapest Mall campus. It's everything glass with curved and straight glasses and also spherical curved glasses. And the last one is, for example, it's a Romania. It's a glass installation with also 40-meter glasses, also from SEDAC, and for an artificial art. So we wanted to explain what the difference is. And now the NEOM Golf Rosseo is one of the projects by plus 40 degrees, 104 Fahrenheit. It's really high temperature with the 2,000 kilogram glass to install there. It's really a hot temperature there that time. It's also not only temperature, it's also wind there. Yes, the sand is coming there every day by the sandstorm. And also the surrounding with the area, it's a small island. Surround is only sea salty. It's everything scratching. It's always a poison to every machine. Yes, for the electronic parts and everything. Our machine was using there only to install the curved units, and the whole facade was shaping anyway, curved, convex and concave. They're working there around 3 to 4 months, and was finally finished in last November. And now it's still open, the golf resort. And the next one is another project. It's a National Museum of Qatar. It's also high temperature, that it's much hot, more than 40 degrees, because it was inside. There was not climate in that time, there was not refrigerator. No, it's so hot inside, all the people are running water, drinking, and all the machines are, which we send over the crane here, you see that, by air freight. Put the suction manipulator on the top, and install the glasses inside. It was an installation with glasses and mirrors and so on, but the temperature was extremely hot there, more than 40 degrees. Then the next opposite can be, it's a Montreal tower. It's still on the tower. Installed that glasses on there. It's a 1 meter by 5 meter, 6 meter tall. And they're installed in the tower there, and they're starting the installation in November. So in November till December, the temperature is lowering down to minus 20, 30 degrees. trees. We make a testing on the machines how we can handle that. So in Germany we get in the refrigerator, open the fridge, put the machines in, and checking the cups. So to understand, does it work or not? They ask us, is it working? And they said, okay, I'm not really sure. So we put in, and it will stay in and working, suction on, suction off, suction on, suction off. It's a really simple imperial research, but at the end, it was working. So, and that's good for us to replicate that and to give to the customers. Now it's possible to use that. We present them in Russia in the Lachter Center, present them in many shops in the north of Canada and so on. That's really fantastic. Also for Norway, when you start November, temperature is going down to minus 20-25 degrees. There's another project in Quebec. It's Grand Theatre. It's years ago. You see that? It's different cups in it. That's a white rubber cups. They are cups for special uses, not to get any glues to the glass. Problem is mostly the people are fabricators, so you know when you have a special coating on the glass. And with the coating, mostly the production company is using an extra cover on it. A white cover I heard about. So we do not use that because we do not make any rubber on the glass with that cup. So in that case, we can use it in any case. So many glass factories asking us, could you send the cup because it's much more safe here as to put a cover on the cup extra. So that's another project. It's in Austria. It's a glacier, so it's a lifting height of 3,200 meters. So in only a simple installation, replacement of glass with Frena and Reifer from South Tyrol, Italy. And you see the cups are running, it's working also by the temperatures normally minus 20 degrees, there are 10 to 20 degrees, but that was at the beginning of spring, so we had a bit luck in that. But I cannot show you so many pictures because of minus, mostly they are protected. So thank you for your attention and have you some questions. Have a good day.